Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So in today's video, I will show you guys a way in which you can earn extra money using only your phone. Now this works for Windows and Mac as well, so if you guys have those platforms, make sure to stick till the end. I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Alright guys, so just like any other video, before we start the tutorial, I wanted to thank all of my friends and subscribers who commented on my previous video. If you want your comment to be shown in the next video, all you need to do is like, share and comment below on this video and you will have a chance for that. So in this tutorial, I will divide the video into 3 sections, in which the first section I will explain how this actually works, and then I will talk about how to install it and get $5 for free, and then I will talk about how to maximize your earnings and withdraw. So this tutorial is based on an application called honeygain, and I'll explain how this works and how you'll get money from this application. Now the link for this application is in the description box. This application actually shares your internet data and gives you money for it. It will share your unused internet data, however it will secure and protect all your private and personal information, so don't worry about that. This application is completely secure, and it's also one of the applications that is trusted in Trustpilot's website. Okay, so let me explain why or how honeygain shares the internet and gives you money for it. So the internet that you share with honeygain's network is used for subjects or matters such as price comparison. For example, to help you buy the cheapest plane tickets or sneakers or other things that you can get from deals around sites. And it can also help you with brand protections. For example, the internet that you share using honeygain's network can be used to stop online piracy or sell fake goods from websites. It can also help with fraud prevention, SEOs, and even web intelligence. So you're getting money, but you're actually doing a good in return for the internet or the world of the internet. So let's talk about how to install this application. Now the link for this app is in the description box. All you need to do is open the link from there and then tap on claim $5 now. After you do so, you will need to create an account. All you need to do for signing up is you have to have an email address, and then you will use a password to create that account. So just type in any email address that you use. Make sure you have access to that email address because you need to verify it. Afterwards, tap in a password. And if you came from the link in the description, you will get $5 for free. If not, just go to honeygain's site and then type in this unique referral code that I'm giving you here. The referral code is mine. It's called AYAN. It's under my name. If you type in this referral code, you will get $5 for free as a jump start to use this app. Okay, so after you do so, you will see in front of you $5, and you can do that just by signing up using my referral code. Afterwards, you need to go and confirm the email address, but before you do that, you need to install the application on the system that you're running. So if you're running on Windows, tap that. If you're running on Mac, you can tap that, but I'm running on Android, and I'm going to install it for application for Android. Now one thing which is great about this application is you can use it simultaneously on other platforms as well using one account. That means you will get maximized earning for that. So if you guys are enjoying this video, it will be great if you guys subscribe to the channel and also like this video to motivate me to make similar content such as this. So the application is now downloaded. I'm going to install the app. Just tap on install, wait for the application to be installed, and I'll show you what you need to do afterwards. So the application is just about to be installed. It's actually installed. I'm going to open the app and I'll show you what the necessary steps are. So afterwards, you can use the terms of use, and after you do so, just tap on I agree to the terms of use. Skip the instructions because I will show you what you need to do step by step. Now if you're using internet from mobile data, tap on yes. If you're using it from Wi-Fi, tap on yes as well. Because I'm using both, I'm going to tap on yes for Wi-Fi and mobile data as well. Afterwards, tap on done. And if you want this application to run in the background and give you money just for running in the background, just tap on disable battery optimization and then tap on allow. So after you've done so, just make sure to log into the account that you created a while ago, a few minutes ago. Tap in the same email address and the same password that you used to sign up for this app, and all you need to do after that is tap on login. After reaching this step, you've successfully created an account with $5 for free in it, and I'll show you what you need to do after this. So to maximize your earnings, I will simply explain to you that the more devices you have installed on honeygain, the more earnings you will get. So for example, let's say you have 3 devices at home and you have honeygain installed on all of those devices with the same account. You will get more money as if you had only one, okay? So the more devices you have installed on honeygain, the more money you will get, but keep in mind you can only use it for 2 devices per IP address. So what you can do instead is share this unique code that you have, and I'll explain what that means. So this application actually gives you a unique code in which you can send to your friends and have 10% of their earnings. But before you do that, you need to confirm the account that you created by verifying the email address that you used to create the account. So just go to the email address that you used, and you should get an email from honeygain. Tap on verify, and you will have your account or your email address successfully verified in honeygain. The reason why you do this is so you can get a unique referral code in which you can send to your friends or relatives, and if they use that unique link, you will get 10% of all their earnings. Let me explain why and how this works. So if you drop below here, you will see a unique referral code. As you can see, I have this phone which also has honeygain installed on it. So if I earn $10 from this phone that you see in front of you, $1 will be transferred to the device that you saw in the beginning of the video, just because I used that unique referral code to have honeygain installed on my second device. I hope you guys understand this point, which is very important. If you're not understanding it, make sure to just comment below, I'll help you out. So every account has a unique referral code. It's in the below bar of the application. Copy that link, send it to your friends, send it to your relatives, explain to them how honeygain works and how much money they earn. You will get 10% from that, okay? So it's very easy and it's very simple, and if you do that continuously, you will have around $60 to $70 per month. It will cover your Netflix subscriptions or like online games and such on, okay? So to increase or to maximize earnings on your phone, make sure to tap on start when device boots. This means if your phone turns off and then it turns back on again, honeygain will automatically work, which gives you more money to earn. The way you withdraw money from this application is very easy. However, you need to first reach a threshold of $20 to be eligible for withdrawal. So once you reach $20 or more, you can have the amount of money sent to your PayPal address, and it will work smoothly because I've already done that. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any issues and I'll help you out. Peace out.